I got my city on lock, I got the internet buzzing. Every song that I drop, you got the fireman coming. Bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me. Better believe that I'll be free in a big league, not Pee-wee. And they got cheese like CC's. I'm never gon' flop, looking back down from the top. Never caught up on a loss, falling cause I've been a boss. They follow me like I'm the law, put all the weight on my back. Gon' be a legend like my name is Shaq. Gon' be a funeral when I attack, so watch how you act. They never thought I could've rapped, damn. I'm one of a kind, that's something. Texas Hold'em, not bluffing. I'm a diamond in the rough, and I'll never be tripping on nothing. They betting on me like Bitcoin, they wanted a steak like sirloin, but I be playing for keeps though. I'm stacking up green like CeeLo. I'm sorry but I had to vent, too many things to get off of my chest. 2018 gon' be bringing more stress, I gotta be ready to handle the mess. Ayy, cleaning it up like a bus boy, but you can find me in a Benz though. All these rappers tryna flex though, but we know that it's a rental. They don't wanna love me till I'm winning, they can't really block me from my vision. I'm just tryna get it how I want it. Now they want me back, but you know that I be running, running, running to another level. Running, 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 I won't ever settle. Running, 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 I'ma go and get it. Running, 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 I'm coming for the medal. Running, running, running to another level. Running, 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 I won't ever settle. Running, 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 I'ma go and get it. Running, 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 I'm coming for the medal. Don't care if you hate it, I will never be stopping. Real fans gon' play this, and I got the bass knocking. Knocking on that front door, cause I'm about to hit a lick though. Going straight to the top floor, got them jumping out the window. I don't need no label, no seats at my table. I don't need no handouts, cause the money been stable. Get ready if you check me, cause I kill you on the beat though. Man, this shit too easy, like I'm shooting some free throws. KD with a 3 though, slide a hand with the reload. I've been popping off worldwide, can't oversee me though. Swaggin' tracks got my back though, best fans, that's facts though. I've been going in full speed, other rappers get laughed though. DiCaprio when I rap though, catch me if you can't hold. No friends in the rap game, this shit been cutthroat. Find me in the end zone, your girl told me you friend zone. You childish like Redbone, I got bars like cell phones. They don't wanna love me till I'm winning, they can't really block me from my vision. I'm just tryna get it how I want it. Now they want me back, but you know that I be running, running, running to another level. Running, 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 I won't ever settle.